Okay, guys, so welcome back to another lesson of today, guys. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can, solo or improvise using your how you can improvise using your overdrive patches. Okay, for many of you that have event processor, so I'm going to show you how you can solo using your overdrive or rock kind of patches, kind of sound. So make sure you don't skip any part of this video. Make sure you watch it to the end so you don't miss out everything I'm going to play, okay, and then everything I'm going to show you, okay? All right, so without wasting of the time, I'd like us to move straight to the video. But before that, if you know that is the first time you're coming across my video, do well to hit on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss that anytime I upload a new video like this, okay? I have a couple of videos on lesson if it's the first time you're watching my video. Okay, you can go check it out. I have a couple of lessons on worship section and worship improvisation, even leaks. Okay, you can check it out. Okay, all right. If you know that you want to join my online class, you want an online class, okay, personal class with me, do it to chat me on the number there on the screen. I'm going to respond to you. Okay. If you like the video, smash on the like button, hit on the comments. If you have any challenges, I'm going to respond to you as soon as possible. Okay. All right, let's move straight to the video. Okay, so welcome back. We'll be doing the lesson in the key of C. Okay, that's the key of C. So we're going to play a chord progression, the 1, 6, 5, 4 chord progression. Then I'm going to solo over, okay? Then you're going to hear the way I'm going to solo. All right, so now we're going to switch to the overdrive badges so you can hear that it's going to sound. Okay, so that is the first part, like you can hear. So now, okay, there's a whole lot to play there. Now, what I'm trying to establish here is when you come across progressions like that, or when you come across any worship, songs you might want to play over. Okay, when you are using the overdrive. So what you have to do is that you have to, when you understand the chord progression, what you have to do is that you have to play each of the arpeggios in those chord progression. Just like if you have do. This is do, sol, do, mi. This is Sol. Sol will be Sol, Re, Sol, Ti, Re, Sol. Sol, Re, Sol, Ti, Re, Sol. So now we have the same arpeggio here also in Sol. This is Do, Va, Sol, La, any of them, okay? So you know that the note that forms the Sol chord is a Sol, Ti, Re, Sol, Ti. The note that forms the La will be La, Do, La, sorry, Do, Mi, La, Do, Mi, La, Do. So when you improvise, you just start from, you can start from your, this is your Sol. Mi, sorry, Do, Sol, Mi, Sol, Do, Sol, Mi, Sol, Do. So when you get ideas like that, when you come up with ideas like that, you'll be able to figure out how to, improvise over chord progression very well. So you just start. Now remember, the note that forms the La chord is a Do, Mi, La, Do on this other shape. Okay, so just play. This Mi now will represent the La. Okay. Either you play like that. Re, Mi, Sol, La. Or then when going to a Va, you just play. The note that forms the Va chord is a Va, La, Do, Va, La. Okay, Va, La, Do, Va. So with that, you can be able to, figure out in every shape in the guitar fretboard, okay? Just like what I played there. Just the same thing I play. This Re now mean the Sol, okay? Okay. This Mi now, I'm not trying to play my La. Did I not play? This Re, Ti, Sol, Re, Ti, Do, Re, Sol. Just like before going to Va. Okay, so that is it. A whole lot of place. But when you get this idea, you'll be able to, figure it out. Even in this is a key of C. Okay, so that's it. Wherever you don't understand, you can get back to me on the comment section. I'm going to give the reply. Still work on the videos, okay? All right, see you guys in the next video. Bye.